In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from expert option. Now, the first thing you want to do here when you sign into your account, you want to click on finances at the very left hand side. And then here down at the bottom, you can see it says withdrawal over here. So just click on withdrawal. And then here, of course, first it says you have to actually make a deposit and have some money, some balance on your real account before you can actually withdraw. And then whenever you do that and you have some money on there, which I currently don't, but still I can show you how this works, you can just click on however you'd like to withdraw. So you could withdraw to either your card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, basically a bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, or Binance Pay. Okay, so select the one that you want, type in the amount you want to do. So for example, let's say I'm going to do 100, and then here you can put in your card number in case you're doing a card. You could also go ahead and just put the amount if you're doing, for example, Apple Pay, or if you're doing PayPal as well, like this, you can put in the amount, and then you can just go ahead and click on this new request button over here. Now here, as you can see, it says that the entered amount exceeds balance because I don't have any balance on here, but whenever you do actually have the balance you'd like to withdraw, you'll be able to just go through, basically submit the request, and then get your money withdrawn. Okay, now of course down here at the bottom, in case you're interested in any of the fees, etc., you can read this before actually withdrawing, and that's pretty much that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.